Hello once again and welcome to Atkendo DATL. DATL stands for Data Analytic Tools for Learning. At DATL, we share resources on how to use data analytic tools like Excel, SQL, Python, and R to perform data analysis process like read, clean, analyze, or visualize data. Note, the term read in data analytics means to upload or to import data into data analytic tools like Excel, SQL, Python, or R. In today's video, I will show you how to load data in Excel in just under 5 minutes. So let's dive in. Why do we read data? There are 3 points highlighted below in why to read data. Among them is accessibility, data cleaning, and then visualization. Accessibility, reading or importing or uploading data help us to have access to data as we can have data from different data sources like from SQL databases in an Excel worksheet or even in survey forms or other sites like Kaggle, data.gov or World Health Organization sites. So to read data help us to have access to this data from these different sites. Also data cleaning. Once you load this data into your data analytic tools like Excel, SQL, Python, or R, you understand most of this dataset contain errors, duplicates, and missing values. So you can use your data analysis skills to remove errors, duplicates, or missing values once you read this data into data analytic tools. Also visualization. Most of these data analytic tools have great visualization capabilities. So once you load data into them, that is once you read, import or upload data into them, there are inbuilt commands like charts in Excel or matplotlib in Python or ggplot in R. You can create eye-catching and compelling visuals for stakeholders. Loading data in Excel. We can use any of these 3 steps. This is just a brief note, and in the next slide, we'll do a practical demo. Among the 3 steps that you can use to load data into an Excel is the manual entry, import command, or using data connectors. The manual entry, just open an Excel worksheet, start typing, or manually copy and paste data into an Excel worksheet. For the import command, there are a series of steps that you need to follow: file, import, upload. The data connectors, we have the Google BigQuery that you can use to upload data into an Excel file. So this is the dataset we want to load into our Excel using 3 of these steps, that is manual entry, the import command, and then using data connectors. So first of all, using manual entry to load data into Excel, you can just open any Excel worksheet and start typing. Then you will have your data in Excel. As simple as that. So you can also use the manual copy and paste. Just highlight the data that you want, open an Excel worksheet, and then just paste the data into an Excel worksheet. Then you have your data in an Excel worksheet. And you can start your data analysis of cleaning, formatting, and other stuff. This is how simple it is using the manual entry. For the import command, using the import command to load data into Excel, you click on File, Import, and then click on Upload. So from the upload, then you can browse from your local computer the drive that store your file, and then you can just load that data. This is the file we want to load into our Excel worksheet. Just click the file, open, and then it will be loaded. So it will ask you where do you want to save this file, whether you want to create a new spreadsheet or you can just insert it next in a new sheet in the same spreadsheet. You just create a new sheet within the same spreadsheet. So we'll create a new sheet within the same spreadsheet, and then we import the data, and then here it is. It is loaded into Excel using the import command. So the data was added into a new sheet in the same Excel spreadsheet. So once you have your data loaded, you can perform your data analysis process of wrap and then applying bold to the heading. You can apply bold to the heading so that it can stand out from the rest of the cells. You can also apply formatting to it, conditional formatting, to show any cell that is equals to 0 to have the red color, to have that cell colored in red. So now you have loaded your data and you have started your data wrangling, cleaning and formatting. So that's how simple it is to load data using the import command. File, import and then upload. So for the data connectors, using the data connectors, all you do is to click on data and then data connectors and then you connect to BigQuery. Using BigQuery, you need to have a big Google account and then you create a BigQuery account and then you can create data sets there and then create tables which you can load into Excel. So we can just visit this project. I have the data loaded here and this is the mismanaged plastic waste data that I want to load into my Excel worksheet. Just click connect and then it will be loaded. Then success, your data is connected. So here is how we load data using the data connectors command from BigQuery. So these are the three simple steps that you can use to load data in Excel. Manual entry, the import command, or using data connectors. That's the end. Thank you for watching. And also please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips on data analytic tools at Kindur DATL. Look forward to seeing you in our new upcoming videos. Bye for now.